How to log in into your X account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your X account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up the X app. If you do not have the app, you can easily get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. Open up the app, and after you open the app, you will see this page right here. Now, if you do not have an account, you can continue with Google or Apple or simply create an account. If you already have an account, tap on login, that's on the bottom right here. After you tap on login, you will need to enter your phone number, your email, or your username of your X. So I'll just enter my email here. So there is also an option to reset your password if you have forgotten your password. So if you have forgotten your password, tap on forgot password to reset it. Now simply type in your password and tap on login. And there you go, now you have just logged in into your X account. And it's that simple guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.